It took some years, but we found our passion, and we dedicate today for education and creation. Playing is the best way to learn. We know it. We just have to watch animals and child to understand that. Education have the role to guide child in their passion, to discover their best talents and to understand themselves, inside them, their fears, their problems, their social interactions. As we believe that playing is the best way to learn, we decide to put our workshop, the space, the tools, the team, our skills, technical and design, and all those skills, we would like them to be available for education, professors, parents, schools.
Our 7-year journey took us through various domains like architecture, interior design, product design, and furniture. And we arrived to education because we believe that it's the key to a harmonious future with peace and unconditional love. For 3 years, it became crystal clear that it's our passion to help education and be a part of its evolution by creating interactive children games that allows them to discover environment, science, and most important, themselves. Our objective is to elevate children's knowledge, their physical and psychical abilities, through games, the most joyful and efficient way of learning. Our games are meant to develop cooperation rather than competitivity and separation. Currently, we have more than 60 interactive children games that can be seen in City of Knowledge, which is a science center in Bucharest. Children nowadays need attention, interaction, and involvement in the process of learning. And our objective is to adapt information to their needs and create games through which they can safely experiment the consequences of their actions and choices. The COVID-19 pandemic affected our activity, and because of a lack of projects and investment in educational games, we are forced to pause our dream. But we are not ready to give up. So we ask the world to support us in these times, and so together we can participate to the evolution of education.